Okay, the book today is The Three Little Kittens by a little golden book. Okay, the three little kittens are going walking together. They lost their mittens. And they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost." "What, lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie." Meow, 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 meow. They're all crying. They lost their mittens. Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found." "What, you found your mittens, you good little kittens? Then you shall have some pie." Purr, 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 purr. The three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. "Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have sold." "What? You sold your mittens, you naughty kittens?" Then they began to sigh. Meow, 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 meow. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens. And hung them out to dry. "Oh, mother dear, look here, look here. Our mittens we have washed." "What? Washed your mittens, you darling kittens?" "But I smell a rat close by. Hush, hush. Meow, 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 meow." There's a rat close by. And that's the end of the story.